It sounds fucking crazy, doesn't it?
It's weird because it sounds like Mazda.
Yeah.
It's a Mazda engine, isn't it?
Yeah.